Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about the lock screen on iOS 26. Well, in today's video, I will show you guys how to make the lock screen of your iPhone more useful. And all that, of course, by adding some extra new features that are pretty useful and will help you a lot during your everyday tasks. Now, all of these, of course, can be added through different apps and their live activity feature, which is an amazing and even an underrated feature of iOS. So in today's video, we have a lot of those to show you guys that will actually make your lock screen much better. And we're starting things off with widget flow right here. It is this one at the top right there, which will add these widgets that will display different information to the lock screen. Now you can see on this one, we have here the brightness, we have the connectivity, the Wi-Fi, the cellular, the Bluetooth, we have the storage of the iPhone as well, and of course the name of the phone right there. But it has more. If you go into the app, you can choose between different widgets. So right here on the app, you go to dynamic, and then here you swipe like this and you will have a few different options. So we have the progress here for the day, the month, the week, and the year. Then we have this one that we saw there. We have the calendar. You can choose your own pictures and have a slideshow of your pictures on the lock screen, which is really awesome. You can also display the weather or any of the apps that you want to open directly from there. Next up is one of my favorites. It is called Live Lyrics, and it displays live lyrics of the song that you're playing right on your lock screen, and you can see it right here. Now this will actually work with the music app of Apple, the Apple Music, and also Spotify as well. And it shows you right here, as you can see, the live lyrics right here on the live activity. Now what's really cool is that even when your iPhone is actually dimmed like this, so when the screen is not lit up, you can still see right there the live lyrics, which is really awesome. So whether you're listening to Spotify or Apple Music, you can have the live lyrics of the song you're listening to directly on your lock screen. Next up is live weather. Well, with this app, you will have your weather forecast right on your lock screen. Now, what's really cool is that you don't have to use your current location. You can actually use that, but you can also just pick any city you want and then display the hourly forecast right here on the live activity. Now, what's really cool is also that the background of the live activity will change based on the weather condition of the city you're viewing, which is really awesome. In this case, we have Miami here. It is sunny and it shows, of course, a blue sky right there in the background, and it makes it look super cool. Next up is control bar. Now this is control bar right here. This is the app, and what you can do here is add extra controls for your music. Like we have here the volume up, volume down, skip forwards and backwards 15 seconds, and we can edit this and add all kinds of different things right here. And it is really awesome. You start the live activity here, and then you will be able to actually have those extra controls on your lock screen. So here we have the media player of iOS. You can see play, pause, move to the next or the previous song. Now with this, we have extra things right here, like the volume buttons. We also have the skip forwards and backwards, the shuffle, the plus button, and any of those buttons that you saw within the app that you can actually go ahead and add to your lock screen. Next up is Dynamic X. Now with Dynamic X, you will be able to have all kinds of different information on the lock screen of your device. Now we have one of the widgets right here with the cellular and the Wi-Fi usage. So you can see right here the uploads, the downloads, and all that. And we can start it from here, or we can tap the plus button and add other ones. So we can go to the bigger ones right here. These are the ones for the live activity right here. And you can go ahead and pick any of these, like the memory and all that stuff. And of course, once we do that, we can go ahead and save this. And as you can see, it offers a way to actually unlock even the paid ones simply by watching an ad. And you start the live activity, and then once you go to the lock screen, you will have your information right there. So you can monitor the usage of your cellular data and your Wi-Fi directly from the lock screen. Next up is Shelf. Now with Shelf, you can add different things to your lock screen via live activities. Like for example, a picture that I have right here, or we can create a new one when we can add just like simple text, different actions like shortcuts, or a picture as I told you. So if we launch right here, you can see once I go to the lock screen, I will have that picture displaying right here. So if you just want to have, let's say, the picture of your loved ones or anything you want, you can have it always on your lock screen via this live activity, which as you can see is simply very easy to create, and it works really good to displaying the high quality picture of anything you want directly on your lock screen. Next up is Lock Launcher. It allows us to just launch any app you want directly from the lock screen via the live activities. So you come into the app right here, you tap the plus button, and you can add the actions. And not just apps, you can also add shortcuts, maybe a website, or just like a custom text right there. So right here we have all the different apps. You can just go ahead, do a quick search, or maybe go through the system toggles right here. You can add any of those, the Apple apps, and of course the hot apps right here. You can just go ahead, pick any of them, and then of course they will be displayed right here on this list. Then you tap on the settings button and you come right here to live activities and make sure you have this enabled, and now you're good to go. Now when I go to the lock screen, I will have here a list of the apps that I can actually go ahead and launch directly from here. Next up is Screen Pin. Now this is a simple app that works with live activities, and it allows you to have any text you want there, like a list of something that you might want to create and have on your lock screen so that you remember it anytime you just watch your iPhone without having to unlock it. So let's say you're maybe going grocery shopping, you just add the list there, enable it here. Just go ahead and enable this, and now you're good to go. You will have this on the bottom of your lock screen, so you don't have to unlock your iPhone to view the list that you have. You just go ahead and basically have it right here, and all you have to do is just pick up your phone. You will have anything you need here. And last but not least is Telecounter. It allows you to have the telecounter on the lock screen so you can count things directly from there. Not just one of those, you can have multiple. So you can see I have 2 here. You can create a new one by tapping that plus button, and then once you want to add it to the lock screen, you simply tap on those 3 dots right there. Start a live activity from here, and it displays on the lock screen. If you want to remove them, then you come back here and tap on stop live activity. But as you can see right here, when we go to the lock screen, here we have the tells, item 1, item 2, we have multiple of those, and we can also go ahead and interact with them directly from here. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This is how you can make the lock screen of your iOS 26 device more useful by adding these amazing live activities to the lock screen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. If you want to download any of these apps, you will find all of them linked right down below on the pinned comment. Again, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.